MTDCNC, bringing you the latest engineering news, reviews, events and special offers via video media.
Andy, in 2 minutes I want to learn all about the Hurco TM6. Let's start with the specification. Can you tell us about that?
This is the TM6i. It's our entry-level CNC centre lathe. It has a 6-inch chuck. It has a maximum RPM of 6,000. And it has a 12-station tool turret. We have two types of turret. We have a slotted turret and we have a VDI turret.
What's the turning diameter, max turning diameter, and the bar capacity?
You can put 45 millimetres up the spindle, and you have two different diameters. On the VDI, there's a maximum of 215 millimetre diameter, and on the slotted turret, you have 315 millimetres maximum turning diameter.
And then finally, turning length?
405 millimetres between centres.
So Andy, what comes as standard with the machine?
We get conveyor, swath conveyor as standard. We also get the Renishaw tool setting probe and the parts catcher come as standard. We have 2 gigabytes of RAM on the control, advanced graphics, USB ports come as standard. And
then the options, Andy.
Okay, the machine has the facility to add a bar feed as an option. The interface, etc. comes as an option. We can also put DXF editing onto the control. So you can bring your DXF drawings, component drawings, straight into the machine, touch on the surface you want the machine, and it will write the program for you.
Filtration?
We can have filtration on the coolant, yes. It comes with a set of hard jaws, but you can also put in soft jaws to machine up for your requirements.
So what are you making on this TM6 today, Andy?
Today we're just making a mild steel component that includes knurling and broaching. And threaded on both ends and parted off, and face grooving. Okay, so all made on this one TM6 lathe.
For more videos, products and news, go to mtdcnc.com or follow MTD Online on Twitter.